friends, in this quick class, I wanted to show you how to apply gold leaf to a painting. So I just started doing it recently and I have this glue. I don't think it's the best glue or adhesive out there. So if you have a chance, just try some other ones as well. It worked out pretty well here, but it is something that takes time to get used to and to actually practice to really get the hang of it. It's just very different. It's more by the feel, like if you know, like, okay, you apply the adhesive first and it says to wait like 45 minutes or something on the bottle to actually wait, but that's when you apply maybe this adhesive to maybe a table or something. But for the paper it's different because it works pretty quickly, and if I wait too long the adhesive becomes too dry. I'm going to show you on this paper here. So you want to use a brush you really don't care about. So I'm going to use my old brush and shake the bottle a little bit and then apply this adhesive. So it looks like this, it's just kind of white. And that's why I feel like the instructions are maybe for something else, not the paper, because for paper, like this adhesive gets inside the paper, right? It gets absorbed there and you just kind of want to feel it out. So just going to apply it and wait for this to settle a little bit, feel it with my finger, test it, and then I am going to press that gold leaf. So that's just another idea. If you don't want to paint anything for Christmas, I guess you can just use gold leaf and create like Christmas balls and stuff like that. It would be really pretty too. So one more time I'm going to go through because that adhesive gets really absorbed inside. I think I applied quite a bit of it. All right, I'm going to give it a rest. So I'm going to come back to it probably in a minute or two. And in the meantime, this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm back after 2 minutes. When I touch with my finger, it's still too wet. This is more like it. So I'm going to have to wait another couple minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you what I did, because I don't need that big of a piece of a gold leaf. I just cut it with scissors and I'm going to apply it as soon as I'm ready. All right, my friends, so I want to show this to you what it looks like. It's kind of sticky, but I don't feel the residue anymore on my finger. And I think that's the best timing to apply. And I'm going to apply it like this, and I need a little extra piece. So once I press on it, I'm going to grab a little piece like from here and apply it right there. Although I actually removed more than I wanted because my finger had a little bit of that adhesive already. So I'm going to grab it from here and go back here, and then I'm going to grab a brush. And once I have the brush, I'll start brushing through. But for now, I'm just going to press. So I feel like it's a little more challenging again because of the texture on the paper. Doesn't mean you can't do it. Yes, you can. And this paper here has way less texture. This is rough 300 pounds. This is just cold press 140 pounds. Actually, this is like 300 pounds too, I'd say. So the cold press 300 pounds. I forgot this is like a board. So anyway, there's less texture here. It was much easier to apply it. And this is way more texture. So it is a little more challenging, but first I'm going to press, and then I'm going to brush it off with a brush. There you go. Grabbing my long quill size 4, and I'm just going to remove it. Remove the excess that I don't need. So brushing it off. Whatever I feel like the gold didn't stick to, I'm just going to try harder and press it again. Just so I can fill these tiny spots. Can get a little messy, but that's part of it. All right, my friends, and that's it. I already brushed it all off. So this is what it looks like. So if you're aiming for this kind of effect to add some gold leaf over your painting, go for it. And it's not too bad really over the textured paper edge. One thing I like is that you can see the texture here too. So just something to consider. Again, my expertise is watercolors. This is just something extra that I wanted to add to my cards this year. So if you like it, go for it. But overall, I'm okay with just using even this gold ink for the gold frame. Thank you so much for your time. Let me know if you have any questions.